it's Simone Love coming at you with another video. And on today's video, I am going to be going over a few items that I bought from the infamous Fashion Nova. So with these purchases, some of them I will not be putting on this video simply because they are gifts to other people that I'm giving for Christmas. However, I did get maybe 4 items for myself. I purchased from Fashion Nova a while back, and I have dresses and they still have the tags on them. I haven't worn the other items that I have. I may have worn all of 4 items that I got from that last purchase, which was maybe 2 years ago, and the additional ones, which was maybe like 3 or 4 dresses, still have tags. So this one, I decided to go ahead and get some of those jeans that everyone seems to rave about, to see if they are all about the hype, I guess you can say. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, shall we? So again, it just comes like this with your information and everything on it. I got everything from their, what was it, Black Friday sale. One thing that I do want to say that I'm honestly kind of upset about is because of the fact that I got this on Black Friday and I'm just now getting this today, and it is December 8th. So that's like whatever. I did hear that a lot of people were like waiting for their packages once before, but since I had purchased from them, I knew that I wasn't going to have that problem. Well, joke was on me. So pretty much like all of your stuff just comes in the bag. You get a discount code here, and of course to follow all of their information, to snap your pics, be entered for a chance to be posted and win a prize, whatever. So yeah, and of course it comes with your invoice of everything that you ended up buying. So the stuff that I bought, oh, this is so cute. This is one of the gifts that I got. It is so cute, and it looks exactly how it did in the description. But again, I'm not going to be showing that because I am giving it away. Oh yeah, this is very cute. Oh, this is too cute. I should have got 2 of these, but I was in my feelings. These are dumb cute. Oh well. So one of the first items I got is this shirt. It says California. It is called California State of Mind tunic. I believe it says California State of Mind. Yep, California State of Mind on the side. I'm not from California. I'm from Chicago, but the shirt was red and I just decided to get it because everybody says that I look good in red, and I personally don't like it. I'm trying to get into different colors that I'm just trying to get into different colors. So I got this one, and it just looks like this, and this is California State of Mind up the side, and there is a slit right in the side of the shirt. I love shirts like this. I feel that shirts like this look like, I don't know, it just makes you, it makes your shape look a little more flattering. Since I have gained some weight, as I said in almost every video now, I feel that when I wear shirts like this, it gives you more of that hourglass look, and it accentuates your hips a little bit more. So that's pretty much why I decided to get this shirt. The original price is $17.99. I got it in a size extra large. I'm not too sure how much I paid for it. How much did I pay for this? This shirt with the Black Friday sale, I ended up getting this for $6 even. Next item that I ended up getting this Not Dreaming of You tee, and it is in the color blue. It reminds me of a Champion shirt. However, instead of the little C's, of course, just in Champion, it's backwards, and that's where you get the dreaming from. And it's like a racer looking shirt to me, or an Adidas, whichever one you prefer to call it. And I just thought it was super cute. And again, it has a few little slits in the side. I just love that look. It comes I don't think it comes down that much further in the front than it does in the back. So this is pretty much just how the shirt looks. I think this is gonna look super cute on me. Again, I'm getting colors that I don't normally get. I want to get out of my comfort zone. Y'all probably seen me in every type of taupe or cream or gold color, black, and pink. I have pink, and I'm just now starting to get into pink at 23. I used to hate pink, and my mom used to tell, she just told me that too. I got this in the size extra large, and the original price is $14.99. However, I got this for $4.19 on their Black Friday sale. Now into these jeans, honey, just off jump, like, they have a little bit of stretch to them, which is essential to me, honey. I got this in the size 15-16 because my thighs are huge. Now sometimes pants can get bigger on me as I've worn them for a few hours, and they seem to stretch over time to me compared to how most people's clothes shrink. When I've worn them for a while, I noticed that the pants that I got may have been a little bit too big or too small, if you know they haven't, you know, depending on if they have stretched out or not. And that is simply because, again, my thighs don't go anywhere. I just have really big thighs, and my waist, I'm kind of like shaped like this, and then these big dumb thighs. So sometimes my waist can be a little smaller than everything else. Like sometimes I can't get pants over my thighs, but they'll fit nice on my waist. And I don't have the biggest butt, like, under any circumstance, but it's just my thighs that don't fit anything. So because I don't have a butt, these are supposed to give me a dream butt. Supposedly, that's what they all say, right? These are called the I Just Might Booty shaping jeans. So yeah, like I said, let's hope they, you know, give me that shape. And they pretty much just look like this. They're real simple, nothing too spectacular about those. Regular pockets. I love I honestly feel like I have a lot of jeans that look like this. Am I the only girl who gets the same type of pants almost every time you go shopping? Just different brands. The pants does not have the original price on it, and I'm trying to look for you guys, but I just don't see it. So unfortunately, I can't tell you how much they were beforehand. However, they went for $11.99 for their Black Friday sale. The last thing that I purchased from Fashion Nova is another pair of jeans. These are called the Supernatural High Rise jeans in a dark wash. This is again in a size 15-16. It does not have the original price on there, so I apologize, guys. And to be completely honest, I feel like they look exactly like the other pants that I just had. And this is just the wash to them. They are supposed to be super high-waisted, but again, we'll see, because some things that I have gotten that are supposed to be super high-rise, since I have a gut, it ended up being like waist, like mid, what is that? I don't know. It comes over to my belly button, so that's not high-rise to me. That's just pants over my stomach. They do have a good stretch to them. So I love that 100%, because like I said, these thighs ain't going nowhere, but I gotta wear pants though. So yes guys, those are all of the things that I got from Fashion Nova. I really wish that I could show you guys the other purchases that I got, but again, I got them for other people, and I'm not wanting to put that on my YouTube because they watch my YouTube videos, so I'm not gonna go ahead and display that. However, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that I know to do additional videos like this. Also, make sure that you comment and subscribe. You guys, I can't express to you how much I appreciate your support, but you have to subscribe. How am I gonna know what type of videos that you like? You can't comment, you can't like it, you can't do anything unless you subscribe. Share this with your auntie, your uncles, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, everybody, to let them know exactly what I'm doing. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.